Okay, so let us see the third quadrant problem. In the previous video we have seen second quadrant problem. Now let us see the third quadrant problem. So how the question goes, a point C is 20 mm below HP and 30 mm behind it. So below HP, rough sketch again. Below HP means below the line, behind VP means behind the line. So this we can say it is third quadrant problem. So this line I have drawn it horizontally, so I will call this as HP. This line I have drawn it vertically, so I am going to call this as VP. This is the origin which I call it as X and Y. Now I will cut short the explanation of rough sketch. Instead of drawing an object directly, I will try to explain how to get the values. Just observe. So he says it is 20 mm below HP. Point C is 20 mm below HP. So from here 10, 20. 20 mm below HP, you have a point and this distance is 20. 20 mm below HP. And this I have written it on vertical plane. So since I have written it on VP, I have to name it with dash. So this I am going to call this as C dash. And 30 mm behind VP, from here 30 mm behind. So 10, 20, 30, this is a point which is at a distance of 30 from the origin, and this is the point C. Why I have written this as C? Because this point is placed on the horizontal plane. So there is a reason I have to name it without dash. So this is C. Now how did I make it direct? Just observe. I will go bit to the image. 20 mm below HP, 30 mm behind VP. So here was your actual image. To this, if I torch light from front, I get this image on the vertical plane, which is at a distance of 20. If I torch light from top, I get this image on the horizontal plane, which is at a distance of 30. So I have cut shorted this and I have directly plotted the points. Okay, so this is a rough sketch. How do I get it actually? Draw XY line. Now with respect to XY line, where is VP? VP is given below the line. So write VP below the line. And on VP I have a point C dash at a distance of 20 from XY line. Anyway from XY line, but from XY line at a distance of 20. 10, 20. Locate a point, show this dimension as 20. Show that dimension as 20. Okay, and that naming is C dash, so call this as C dash. HP plane, rotate clockwise 90 degree. When I rotate HP plane clockwise 90 degree, it will go above XY line. So HP you have to write it above the line. On HP I have a point C at a distance of 30 from the origin. From the origin at a distance of 30, 10, 20, 30, locate a point, show this dimension as 30, name this without dash because it's a HP plane point. Name it without dash. And here you have to write the point C is in third quadrant. The point C is in third quadrant. Okay. So in the first quadrant you had VP above, HP below, whereas in third quadrant you had VP below, HP above. So this is the logic. So by this you can guess what could be your fourth quadrant. Okay.